What is up, guys? Welcome back to Cabello and welcome back to a new video. And as you saw in the intro, in the comments, apparently I died. So let's read some more of those comments. Alright, so I think this is where it all started. This guy, Lionel Messi, wrote, "He died in a horrible car accident, rest in peace bro." Sad face emoji. So the comments, that is sad. What is his Instagram? How did you find out? Which is interesting. So he lists this username, Cabello _ JRJ, which is not me, by the way. Someone posted something on there like last month. I think that he passed away after a car accident. And then the account was deleted. I'm not sure, he says. So if we go into Instagram and look up this person, Cabello _ JRJ, this is what that looks like. So this is a person we find when we look up on Instagram. You can see here. I don't think that guy looks like me. I don't know if it's just me though. I mean, my ears look pretty different, you know. But yeah, apparently this guy posted something which made one person believed I was dead, but it's not just this one person that believed that. This one Lionel Messi guy that commented, as you're gonna see. Right, so other people commented in his comment here, said, "The only two people I follow on a Minox journey were Cabello and Mike Deason, and now they're both dead. I don't know what to say." Yeah. Alright, so here's another person, says, "Rest in peace. He wasn't alive to grow a mustache, but at least he got a beard." And then here's where we find his first name, Jorge Ramirez. This is another person that died apparently in a car crash. And a lot of people, I guess, thought that was me. Someone said that can be. What is his Instagram? I saw on the news they had a picture of him, apparently. Can you send me the link? The one I read involving Jorge Ramirez was located in Texas and reported he was 36 years old. I don't think he is that old. I remember him saying on one of his videos he was 24, 25. Correct. That's correct. I am 25, not 36, as the person that died. That's what I saw too. I did not see the one on this YouTuber. Alright, so let's keep going. There's more. Okay, so this other person also commented saying, "I just heard that he died." And this Luke guy seems to be pretty sure that I did. "Yeah bro, it's true. Some people think he was set up though. How did he die? What's his Instagram?" And then they say his Instagram was deactivated apparently. But here's the article. So he lists this link for an article. So let's see what that looks like. And if we follow the link, this is where we go. So Jorge Juarez killed in Mercado 2-vehicle crash Interstate 20 in Texas. This person apparently died in October 29th, 2020. There's no pictures here, so I don't understand why they thought that was me. But yeah, yeah. Again, someone else pointed that out. Well, it says the victim was 36. That's not him. He looked way younger than 36. And this Luke guy says he was probably one of those guys that looked young for his age, and the beard helped him look older. Yeah, no, I am 25. I'm not 36. I think I don't look 36, but you know. Sure, he's still alive. He said he was 24 in a video he posted a year ago and was talking about developing a beard in his 30s. The guy in the article is 36. Also, some people just deactivate their social medias for their own mental health. Again, that was not my social media. I've never listed my Instagram on this YouTube channel, so I don't know what these people are talking about. This Luke guy, again, comments, "Rest in peace bro, you didn't deserve this." You can see he has 8 likes. "Rest in peace, thank you for all the inspiration. Hopefully I can get to know you in heaven." Yeah, I don't know. So let's see, I have no idea how I ended up on a beer video, but rest in peace Jorge. And the funny thing is, all these people think I'm Jorge, but I actually have a video on this channel where I say what my actual name is. Here, let's pull that up real quick. So if you pull up this video, you can see here, the title is Who is Cabello? And thank you for 200 subs. I uploaded this when the channel got to 200 subscribers. And in that video, I say what my name is, and I mention a lot of other, like, you know, personal information. So if you really were trying to see if I died, it wouldn't be that hard to find that video. It's not even that old. It only has 675 views, so I mean, you know, I get it, not everyone saw it, but I feel like it's not that hard to find. But yeah, I don't know. Okay, so this is important too. So this guy says, this guy isn't dead. He posted on his Twitch channel 2 weeks ago, LOL. That's true. I linked my Twitch channel in this channel in Cabello a while ago, and I was live over there, so this guy noticed that. And this Lionel Messi guy again seems to be pretty sure that I am dead, so he says, "Nah man, you're getting him confused for another dude that looks like him." And again, this Lionel Messi guy, you can see here, says, "I promise you, he passed away. No way he's coming back." This other guy says he's dead, so he's never gonna read your comment. Shout out to Playing Round, I am reading your comment. I'm actually gonna like that comment, just cause. So yeah, that's that whole thing. Right, so I am still here. I haven't uploaded videos to this channel. I think in the last video I uploaded was 7 months ago. I just don't know what else, you know, what other content you guys would like to see in this channel. I stopped using Minox about probably more than a year ago now. You can see I still have the beard, still there, still no mustache. Kind of coming in though, hopefully, I don't know. Anyways, I am not dead. Thank you, I guess, to all of those of you who were, you know, saying rest in peace and whatnot. But yeah, I'm still here. Let me know if you have any ideas of what to do with this channel, what you would like to see. Anything beer related, minoxidil related, I don't know. Anyways, that's the whole video. I'm still here. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.